Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Biopath Holdings, and what you can see here is the long-term chart or the monthly chart of this particular stock, and this stock is in a very sweet spot, I would say, and I will explain you why. And if things turn in a good way, then obviously in a very short amount of time one can see a big turnaround on the upside or a big profit in a very short span of time. So although I'm not sure about the time, and neither I say that this will be an exact time, but the reason because of which I'm saying that is because of the volatility, the kind of volatility we have. If things will be in a normal, which I consider in all of my videos, then it will probably take 3 to 5 years. But if the current situation prevails and the stock moves like uh, as it is moving in the recent days, then obviously it will take lesser amount of time, and that's the rationale behind that. So we are going to discuss about all those things, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on all notification bell to get the notification of all my upcoming videos. Now, and this is one of the uh, trends where you can bet on. I will explain you the reason why, and you have calculated amount of risk in that, considering you have enough liquidity to sell the stocks. So let me just, okay, so here you have the trend. Okay, so this is your trend, and let me explain why it is an easy trade. So you have your first support at $3.84, and below that you have $3.1. Okay, so there are ways to look at it. First of all, you can place your bet at $3.1, keeping 3.8 at the current price, keeping your support at 3.8 or 3.1. It is very near to that, and if it falls below 3.1, you can just close your trade. Or else, if you can take a bit more risk, you can wait up to $1.69, which is a big support. Okay, so if you want, you can wait till $1.69 in case of any adverse scenario, and but below 1.69 there will not be any trend. That is as clear as possible. One should not consider, or one should not carry any trend of after or below 1.69. So you can play with the risk inside this range. But on the upside, what you have is your first target, which will be at $26. Okay, which will be your first target or resistance level. Then if it crosses that, so if it crosses that level, which has already happened, then your next target or resistance will be $78. Then we have $149. Furthermore, $235. Above that, 625, or probably it's in double digits, so I will not consider this one. Okay, there may be some discrepancy in the prices as well, because if the chart is not updated, because lots of platforms are not using the updated chart, or after split the chart is not updated properly, so there are some price discrepancies. But what is similar is the trend. Okay, now the probability till 78 is very high, because it has already done that. So this will be your big resistance or target. But once it crosses, or if it crosses above $80, then you have 149, 235, and simultaneously 625. So these are the range one could look on the higher end of the range. So that's why, if you are considering your risk or reward, then you have if you can lose, let's say, if you are purchasing the stock from the current price, so there will be a, depending upon the risk you want to take, you can lose 20 to 60% of your wealth or your principal amount. But on the upside, if things goes well, then you have 10,000% of profit on the upside. So this is the risk or reward you have in this particular stock. But let me tell you again that these are all trading bets, first of all. Second, because there isn't technical indications or the chart is playing like that, that's why it's not a recommendation or suggestion, just an observation. And if you are getting emotional, then this nothing is works for you in the stock market or the financial market. Okay, so you have to be very prudent or very disciplined while taking a trade. If you unable to take losses, if you unable to understand risk, then no, first understand about yourself and understand about your behavior, that how much risk you want to take and how much risk is good for you. And below that, it is better to just close your position, because saving principal amount, losing money is a big no. Okay, so that's the thing you need to understand first. And because here you will find a good risk and reward, so in that case you are going to get a good opportunity. But because if the stock moves higher or lower, it doesn't matter, it is moving inside a trend, so it will be a swing or trading move for a long term. It may take 1 month, it may take 3 to 5 years depending upon the movement. But if it goes smooth, it will go high, and you will make lots of bucks by understanding the trend and sell or buy it appropriately at a specific amount of time. And always remember that use your stop losses, that is for your benefit. Use your support and resistance uh, wherever possible. So that will not only save your risk, but it will also save your profit as well. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.